In Flutter, most of the layouts uses row and column widget. They allows children widget to hug tightly or spread them out relaxed. Now, what happens if you would like one of the child to stretch to fill the extra space? In this video, we are going to master Expanded Widget to make your Flutter UI responsive and flexible. Let's dive in. Before we code, let's understand the logic. In Flutter, widgets like row and column represent the flex layout system. By default, children inside a row are stubborn. They only take up exactly the amount of space they need. If they need more space than the screens allowed, they crash. If they need less, they leave empty white space. The solution of making it responsive is wrapping widget with Expanded Widget. Expanded is a wrapper widget. It tells a child, hey, don't just be your normal size. Look at the remaining available space and stretch to fill it. Now, as you can see, the blue box kept it fixed width of 50 and the red box calculated the remaining space and filled it perfectly. But what if we wrap both widgets in Expanded? They now fight for the space equally, but usually you don't want everything to be equal. That is where the flex property comes in. The flex property accepts an integer. It acts like a ratio. By default, every expanded widget has a flex of 1. Let's set the blue box to flex 1 and the red box to flex 2. Mathematically, Flutter adds 1 plus 2 to get 3 total parts. The blue box gets 1 part and the red box gets 2 parts. This is incredibly useful for responsive design. Before you go, there is one major rule you must follow. The expanded widget must be a direct child of a row, column, or flex widget. You cannot use expanded inside a stack. And you cannot use it inside a generic container without a flex parent. If you do, you will get an error saying incorrect use of parent data widget. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.